Hello, good people. Today, let's look at this particular task where we're going to draw the isometric drawing for this orthographic drawing in Autocad. So, basically, this is drawn in first angle since the plan has been placed at the bottom part of the front elevation. Then the left elevation has been put on the right hand side of the front elevation. So, as you can see, the front elevation has this particular shape, trapezoidal shape with a slight hole in its position. So the hole has a thickness of 10, then the thickness of the whole block is 35. As you can also see from the plan, this part is dotted, which represents this particular hole, just as in the elevation. So basically, if we take a sketch of this is what you're going to draw. So the diagram appears as such. So this is what we're going to draw in AutoCAD. So we'll make sure that we have our application up and running. Then we'll come to home. Then basically, you should also make sure that you are drawing it in the 3D modeling workspace so that you have these 3D commands showing up. Then afterwards, you're going to go to front. I'll zoom out using my mouse wheel. So after going to front, we'll come and change the coordinates to the first one, which is the view. Then from here, we're going to draw that particular drawing, which is this particular part. Then we're going to draw also this part, then press pull it, then subtract it from our main diagram. So we'll begin off at the bottom. We have 55, then upwards of 10. So this is the way we'll do it. We'll take polyline, start by clicking on screen. Then afterwards, we'll make sure that we have our auto on so that we draw a straight horizontal line. As we drag, we will type 55, then we'll press enter. Then we'll go upwards. As from the diagram, we're going to go upwards with a value of 10, then enter, then towards the right with a value of 5, then enter. Then afterwards, we're supposed to go also upwards, though as you can see from our diagram, this dimension has not been given. So we'll assume it. So we can take this to be slightly over 30, so we can take a value, let's say, of 40. So we'll go 40 upwards, then 30. So we'll go 40 upwards, enter, zoom out, then this other side a value of 30, enter. Then afterwards, we'll just join it to the beginning point, which is there. So I'll move it, enter, slightly away from my axis. Then zoom in. So this is what we have. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw this particular space. So it has, also the height has not been given, but what we know is that the thickness is 15. So I'm going to have a line, then offset it 15 dimensions, or I can just draw this, then offset it at a distance of 15 from this particular corner. So this is what we are going to do. We're going to draw just a slight rectangle, but to make sure that its thickness is 15. Then the height has not been given, so we'll just assume, let's say, a value of 20, then enter. So after having this, we're going to move it from here towards the right distance of 15. So we'll take move, select the object, then press enter. We'll move it from this endpoint towards the right at distance of 15 as the displacement, then we'll press enter. After doing this, we'll go to home, then we'll do a press pull of this particular block. So what we're going to do, we're going to move this particular item slightly away from our diagram so that we do the press pull first. So I'm going to move it from there, let's say to that position. Then after doing that, we're going to do a press pull of 10 and 35. So we come to press pull. The first one 35, then enter. The next one press pull of 10, then enter. So after having this, I'm going to move this to this point. So again, I'm going to move, select it, then enter from this corner to this particular place. Then afterwards, I'm going to again move it, enter from this corner, this side, distance of 15, and enter. So delete this. So afterwards, you can change the view to conceptual. So all I'm supposed to do now, come to solid, solid abstract, select on the first solid, then press enter, then select on the second solid, then press enter. You click on the 2D drawing, then I'll delete it as well. Afterwards, I'll come to home, then orient my UCS, my view cube to UCS world. And as you can see, that is the way we come up with the isometric drawing of this particular shape. So that is what you're supposed to have. If we give it a free orbit, you can see that is how our diagram appears. That is how our diagram appears. So I go back to UCS1 like that. I change the view to parallel. Then in case we wish to put also the dimensions, we'll come to annotate, change or modify the standard dimension style so that we can increase the text height. Text height, let's say to a value of let's say 4. Symbols and arrows or so. We're going to increase this to let's say 1 unit. So 1 unit. The text also will increased as such. Then we'll say OK. So then it closes. So for you to dimension, you just click on the dimension, then click on the points that you wish to dimension as such. So you can, if it's this face, pick this face. You can change the face from this point. If you wish to dimension this particular face, we click on this, accept. Then again come to annotate, click your annotation, then select the corners that you wish to annotate. So that is it, guys, for that particular tutorial in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching and being with me. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this. Thank you so much.